guys. Yan, tingnan mo itong loob guys. Itong loob ng ng corridor ng cinema. It's very luxurious. Saka hindi siya parang ordinary na na cinema na upo ka lang. Ito relax ka talaga, yung parang sofa. Nakaupo kayo sa sofa. Tapos nakataas yung paa nyo. Tapos naka-relax. Relax. Yan, tapos yun, mag-order ka ng food. Pwede ka mag-order ng food, kakain. So i-deliver nila yung food sa sa upuan nyo. Ang ganda talaga guys. It's very luxury. Very luxury siya. Ito ang loob. Tingnan nyo. Very expensive ito guys. Maganda pa yung nag-date kayo. Maganda talaga siya. So for ganda. Yan. Si daddy. Yung ang toilet nila. Yan si daddy's camera. Ang ganda siya guys. Ang ganda dito talaga. Ito yung parang labi nila. So, pwede din dito mag-cup of tea. Mag-relax muna bago ka papasok. Parang bars nila. Hello guys. We are here on the cinema. But it's not like ordinary cinema. It's more relaxing. You can put your feet up on the stool, and then people stop. They're going to bring your order. You can eat here inside. It's like a living room, isn't it? That it's look like a living room that you're eating and watching the film. Daddy, so ito yung sa amin. Dilim yun. Dito na yung pot mo.
Well, we'll get there.
Sorry. Very expensive. So, tapos, pwede na habang nanonood, kumakain kayo. Parang nasa bahay ba, na parang living room na yung paa ninyo, pwede nyo ipatong sa footstool. Tapos, kumakain kayo. So, ito yung mga upuan, guys. Ayan, mga tao. Ayan. Diba? Hindi siya ordinary na, na cinema. It's very luxury. Yeah, very luxury. So this is very expensive. So yung waiter, kukunin yung order nyo, tapos dadalhin din nila yung order.